you a very interesting story now. This story is about the peaceful city of Dholakpur and this little boy named Chota Bheem. Now, Chota Bheem was a very intelligent boy and he was a good boy as well. He had many friends. So, these are some of Chota Bheem's friends. Chota Bheem loved his friends a lot and his friends loved him too. Now, one day, what happened was there was a wicked witch, this spider witch. She kidnapped the friends of Chota Bheem. Now, this witch had heard a lot about Chota Bheem. So, she decided to have some fun. Now, this witch had kept the friends of Chota Bheem on a very high tower. Now, she challenged Chota Bheem to climb the tower, climb the steps, come to the tower, and play a game with the witch. And she said that if he won the game, she would just leave his friends. So she would release the friends of Chota Bheem. Let's see what happens next. Hearing this, Bheem got really angry. Witch has kidnapped his friends. He was really angry at this. But he was very courageous too. So he decided that he would go and climb up the tower and make his friends get rid of the wicked witch. So Bheem went there. He was very nervous to see these huge steps leading to the tower where his friends were. But in any case, he decided to give it a try. So Bheem started climbing the steps. He had a lot of difficulty in climbing the step 1, even more with the next step, even more with step 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But finally, he was able to climb all the 9 steps and reach the top of the tower. And by the time he reached the top, he was really tired and exhausted. While Bheem was climbing the steps, he noticed something. He noticed that step 2 is higher than step 1. We know that 2 comes after 1, and Bheem noticed that 2 is higher than 1. Further, he noticed that step 3 is higher or taller than step 2. Step 4 is taller than step 3, and so on. So as we move ahead or as we move forward from the step 1 to step 2, 3, and so on, the steps become higher and higher. Now we can also look at it like number 2 is more than number 1. Number 3 is more than number 2. So when we count, the number which comes after a number is more, and the number which comes before is less. So say for example 5. 5 comes after 4. So 5 is more than 4. But 5 comes before 6 when we count. So 5 is less than 6. So when we count, the numbers which come after are more and the numbers which come before are less. Now this wicked witch invited Bheem to play a game. The game was called More Less Equal game. And she said that Bheem, if you can win this game, then I'll let you go away with your friends. But if you lose, I'll eat up all your friends. Bheem gathered all the courage he had and he agreed to play the game. So the witch started. So the witch gave some coins to Bheem and kept some coins in her hand. And she asked a question to Bheem. Do I have more coins than you, or do I have less number of coins than you? Now Bheem was a very intelligent boy. He knew his counting, so he started to count. So Bhim counted that he had 1, 2. He had 2 coins, right? And the witch had 1, 2, 3. 3 coins. Now we know that while we count 1, 2, 3. So 3 comes after 2. So as we saw in the case of steps, 3 was actually coming after 2. Step 3 was after step 2 and was taller than step 2. So 3 is more than 2. And Bhim immediately replied that you have more coins than me. And yes, he was right. This made the witch slightly angry, but she was still very confident that Bhim would lose. So next, she gave some flowers to Bhim and kept some flowers in her hand. And again, she posed the question, do you have more flowers than me? Or do you have less number of flowers than me? So Bhim again started to count. He counted, he had 1, 2, 3, 4. He had 4 flowers in his hand. Next, he counted the number of flowers in the hands of witch. So she had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. So there were 6 flowers in the hands of witch. Now while we count 4, 5, 6. So 6 comes after 4. Also, when Bhim was climbing the stairs, step 6 was after step 4. So step 4 comes before step 6. The number 4 comes before 6. Hence, the number 4 is less than 6. So Bhim once again replied that I have less number of flowers than you, because number 4 is less than number 6. So again, Bhim was absolutely right. And the witch said, don't worry, I'll make this game more challenging for you. So this time, the witch gave a bag to Bhim and kept a bag in her hand. And she mentioned that your bag contains 7 sweets and my bag contains 1 sweet. So do I have more number of sweets than you, or do I have less number of sweets than you? Now Bhim was a bit confused, because earlier Bhim could actually see the objects, count them and tell whether the witch has more or less. But this time the sweets are inside the bag. All Bhim knows is that his bag has 7 sweets and the bag of the witch has 1 sweet. So Bhim once again recalled the steps. He remembered that step 7 was much later than step 1, right? So step 1 was before step 7. Hence, the number 1 comes before number 7. So number 1 is less than number 7. So once again, Bhim answered that you have less number of sweets than me. And this time as well, he was correct. Now another thing to note over here is, when I say that 1 is less than 7, this also means that 7 is more than 1, right? So if one number is more than another number, the other number will automatically be less than the other number, as in this case. So this less than this means 7 is more than 1. Now the witch said, don't worry, Bhim. The question which I give you right now, I'm sure you'll not be able to solve it. So she placed some grapes on the hand of Bhim, and she did not take any grape in her hand. And she asked, "Do you have more number of grapes than me? Or do you have less number of grapes?" Now, this was a slightly difficult question, you see, because all the while Bhim could count the number of objects in both their hands. But this time he saw he had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 grapes, whereas Witch has no grapes. And Bhim recalled that no grapes means 0 grapes. So the Witch has 0 grapes. We know that 5 is more than 0. So Bhim has more grapes than Witch. And this is the answer which Bhim gave. And the Witch was getting angrier and angrier as Bhim was keeping on giving the right answers one after the other. Now the Witch gave him the most difficult question she had in mind. She gave him a bag of diamonds and had a bag of diamonds in her hand. And she said that there are 6 diamonds in this bag and 6 diamonds in this bag. Now, do I have more diamonds than you, or do I have less number of diamonds than you? So, there are 6 diamonds in both the bags. Now, is this 6 more than this 6 or less than this 6? Does 6 come after 6? No. Does 6 come before 6? No. There was just one step 6. So it is the same, right? So there was just one same step 6. It is the same number. And Bhim immediately replied that these two are equal. So he replied equal. And the Witch was very angry because Bhim had given the correct answer yet again. Witch was so angry that she got burnt with anger and faded in the air. And Bhim rescued all his friends and returned to Dholakpur happily. So you see how with his knowledge of numbers, Bhim was able to rescue his friends. So do you also want to play this more less and equal game? Let's see. So can you tell me which number is more than 6? So we have these numbers 9, 2 and 5. Which of these is more than 6? Let's count. 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 comes after 6. So we know that the number which comes after while we count is more. So 9 is more than 6. So the correct answer is 9. Which number is less than 4? Among the numbers 7, 6 and 1, which number is less than the number 4? Since we need to find a number less than 4, we need to find what comes before 4. So let's start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 comes before 4. Hence, 1 is less than 4. Right? So the correct answer is 1. Which number is equal to 8? Is it 9? Is it 3? Or is it 8? Well, equal to 8 means the same as 8. Which of these is the same as 8? Of course, 8, right? So the correct answer is 8. So 8 is equal to 8. So what have you learned? Well, we have learned how to find whether one number is more than another number or less than another number or is equal to the other number. We know that while we count, if a number comes after the other number, it is more. If a number comes before the other number, it is less, and if it is same as the number, then the two numbers are equal. So do remember it and practice it till you can get them all correct. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.